Welcome. If you've ever wanted to let your friends share your Facebook stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow others to share your own stories on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new list will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control different aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Stories. Click on it to open the Story settings. This is where you can manage how your stories are shared and who can interact with them. Inside the Story settings, scroll down until you see the option that says Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. There will be a toggle switch or checkbox next to it. Simply enable this option. Once it's turned on, anyone who can see your public stories will have the ability to share them to their own story, making it easier for your content to reach more people. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to let others share your Facebook stories. This new feature is perfect for increasing your reach and letting your friends spread your favorite moments even further. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.